Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Taya here, and today we're going to be making fish soup. It's really gross weather outside. What other way to help fight the cold and with this delicious bowl of soup? If you're interested in this video, grab your pots, grab your pans, and let's get right into it. So we're going to start by seasoning our fish. You're just going to make sure that fish is well seasoned. This stage is what really impacts the flavor in this soup. This soup doesn't need too much seasoning, too much flavoring. The fish does its job because you can put whatever protein you like in this soup. You can do chicken, you can do goat, you can do whatever you like. You can do turkey, you can do whatever you like. This was like one of our school meals growing up. It was like, I think it was Tuesdays or Wednesdays. It was always on the menu in primary school, which is like what, grade school here. Once our fish is done cooking, we're gonna go ahead and add all our yams into the pot. We're gonna be using the same pot just because it has all that flavor from cooking the fish. And then we're gonna let that cook for about 10 minutes while we work on our dumplings. For the dumplings, we're making coconut dumplings because I just love coconut dumplings and I feel like it just adds that little extra oomph to the dumplings. You can shape your dumpling anyhow. Growing up, it was always like the little round ones, which I'll show in a bit. But for this video, I decided to go with these spinners. I think that's what they're called. We're gonna go ahead and add our corn and pumpkins to the pot and let that cook. Then we're just gonna season it up with some Caribbean fish tea. It usually comes with some noodles, and I just strain that out and just only use the seasoning, and I just love that flavor. Cover our pot back, let that cook for about like 10 to 15 minutes till our pumpkin is really nice and soft. Then we can add our fish. And once you add your fish back into your pot, limit the mixing of your soup because it's just going to break up your fish and we do not want that. And you're just going to serve up your soup. You should be done. It's well flavored. It's so light. It's not like a heavy soup. It's so delicious and flavorful. I hope you guys try this out. It's perfect for this winter season. If you do try it, please let me know. The ingredients will be in the description box down below. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you all. Have a great day and stay warm. Thank you for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment so we know you enjoyed the video. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss content that we post here weekly. Thank you. See you in the next one.